get love.
Listen to that, guys.
You better let love.
And the sun is coming out down there.
I know it's so, and yet I can't get you out of my.
Sound, guys.
Made me leave my happy home.
See, guys, these are the small receiver, guys, from SX580, and it sounds great already with my JVC bookshelf small speakers, and this can bring good sound already. Imagine the big one, the SX900, and maybe there's 1,000 SX1000 or something. Man, that can blast your whole house.
I guess I'll never be.
Amazing sound, guys.
Since I fell for you.
The Marantz and the Sansui, guys. Man, they sound so amazing. Marantz is my #1 favorite, my #1 brand. Then Sansui.
You say you love me, and then you snub me. What can I do? I'm sticking in love with you.
Very nice sound.
Guess I'll never see the light.
Pioneer, it's my other favorite brand.
I get the blues.
They built a really nice receiver, especially the SX900. I would love to get that, but you have to spend $1,000 for that. Yeah. Listen to this, guys. The clarity of the sound of this thing. Press the loudness.
I guess I will never see the light. I get the blues most every night.
What a good sound. What a sound, man.
For you.
Guys,
you just give love.
Pioneer SX580.
You better let love depart. I know it's so, and I can't get you out of my heart.
What an amazing sound, guys.
The funkiest of the funky, Mr. Shearing.
There you go, guys. You heard a Pioneer SX580. Very nice sound, guys. Very nice quality of receiver. One of a kind. If you guys like Pioneer, you can get it online. Go to eBay and get the Pioneer there from SX580 going up. There's a lot of choices. You just spend more money. So another day, another video, guys. What a cool piece. I'm really amazed at this guy.
Tearing our love
How about that?
Are we the same two people who live through years in the dark?
So guys, not only that I'm making a video indoors,
Every time
I'm only making a video to outdoors.
something makes me turn
Beautiful morning.
and I can't tell you why.
So let me tell you guys something. Not a lot of people out there making a video outdoors. They always make videos indoors in their house because they know that those stereos are heavy. But me, doesn't matter. I'm gonna enjoy indoors and I'm gonna enjoy outdoors. So when I watch videos, guys, from a lot of people, they make videos inside of their home because they cannot carry those speakers outside, and it's just that maybe they're indoor people, you know. So I've seen a lot of people making videos with their stereos inside their house. This is something different. I'm making a video out here. Very nice sound of the Pioneer SX580. What a beautiful morning, guys. Having a coffee. Gorgeous out. Very nice piece, guys. Made in Japan, Pioneer. And the sun is coming out. If you guys want to invest a good Pioneer receiver, get the SX900. That is really good, amazing, gives a lot of good sound, the quality sound. Get the SX900, guys. Twice higher than this, bigger than this, longer than this, wider. My God, that receiver, guys, is amazing. But this one, guys, I cannot complain. It's a good receiver, guys, from Pioneer. So there it is, guys. You heard the video, you heard the track, and very nice out here. Beautiful morning. What a great day. So guys, thanks for watching, and that's my surprise for you guys, making a video outdoors, because not a lot of people making videos outdoors. I've seen a lot of stereos, people lovers make videos inside their home, but I decided to make a videos out here, outdoors. Beautiful morning, peaceful day, and beautiful stereos, guys, from Pioneer 580. Very nice SX580.
Listen to the feeling.
you're not. Can't have something you don't want to pay for. Cause it's cutting out those fears, thinking it's all just a game. It's no game. Little tears cutting out those fears, sinking. You're all shook up.
There we go, guys. Pioneer